Custom Solutions is a different part of Swagelok's offering. What it allows us to do is put Swagelok components together into much bigger assemblies for our customers based on customers' design. It can be as simple as 2 parts put together, or it can be large skids, meters long by meters wide, and it's about integrating Swagelok components to create a full assembly to allow as much of a plug and play system to our customer as possible. So what we can provide is additional labour resource for customers in high demand scenarios. We have all the equipment, we have all the training capabilities to enable us to provide that assembly. We've got 4 assembly technicians and obviously the labour that goes along with those 4 assembly technicians, so we can help the customer ride their peaks and troughs in demand of assemblies. All our technicians are trained to what we call CP courses. There are a number of CP courses that we have to do as part of our training for Custom Solutions to allow us to physically put the components together. Without these training courses, we're not allowed to do it. Each of the training courses are revalidated every 3 years, so we get tested and we've got to prove that we know that we're following the correct procedures and correct installation techniques. How we keep the customer involved is through various touch points throughout the project. So we've got 3 project engineers who can manage the project as it's run through the business internally. What we like to do is actually provide a physical layout of the components for customers and panels and assemblies before we actually start pre-swaging components and tubing together. At that stage, what we like to do is invite the customer onto our site and have a design review meeting. Depending on the complexity of the panel, it depends on how many design review meetings take place. But we've found this pays dividends in the past because 9 times out of 10, the customer always likes to change it and tailor it to suit their needs. Custom Solutions assemblies do have the same limited lifetime warranty as your loose components order. So if something was to go wrong with a component on a Custom Solutions assembly, the same warranty would apply. So you do have a number of options of what to do. So you can either return the whole assembly to us and we'll investigate it and provide an investigation report to see what the problem is. Or if you require, depending on the customer requirements, is they could send that individual component from the assembly back. So they've got a couple of options there. The assembly technicians have a buddy check system in place. So the person who's actually pulled up the fitting can't check their work off. So they get a buddy, another associate, another assembly technician to come along, and they'll perform the check to ensure that fitting is sufficiently pulled up. Another offering that we do is a positive pressure bubble leak check, which we call CP19. We can test locally up to 1000 psi, 69 bar, and we're currently looking at investing in a helium leak check machine as well. So we've got various testing capabilities to ensure that when the assembly leaves, it's leak tight and ready for the customer to install it.